Hey everybody, my name is Carl. I'm a student here at J-Tech. Today I'm going to take a few minutes and show you how to solder a wire so you can get a good so you know how to do it properly and it has a good hole. First you will need a wire and you'll need a thing that they call a heat shrink tubing. The heat shrink tubing will go over your wire just like that before you go to soldering. Secondly, you need your wire clampers, and strippers, what they call wire strippers, so you can cut your wire and strip it on the ends. You also need a heat gun, soldering gun, to solder your wire with, which is basically what it looks like right here. There's a little tube like this right here, and you stick it out at the end so that these all fall out. And the thing that you need to nut your tubing, which I'll show you how to do later, will be a heat gun. It's a lot like a blow dryer, but I do not recommend you blowing your hair with it, because it would definitely catch it on fire. It's really hot. You burn your scalp as well. Alright, I'm going to put the wire in my gauge here, and it turns out that it's a 16 gauge. It has the numbers on it where it shows you what the gauge of the wire is, and this one here's a 16 gauge. And I turn it around one time and pull it out and see it strips the wire out. You repeat it on the other side. You'll make sure you get down good enough, because you want to make sure when you go to wrap the wires, you get a connection there. Alright, another thing is you want to kind of spread out your wires. It's right here on good end. Now there are other methods of doing it, but this one here works really well, and I'll show you why. You put your wires in connection like that there, and you kind of twist them around. Pull it out just a little bit, because you don't want your wires overlapping the coating of the wire. And you continue, and it gets it really good, and it looks more like it's inside the casing here. It's not big, and it's not a big bolt right there, and it's not bulgy or anything like that. All right, now you've got a good solid thing there. Oops, got a wild wire there. Don't want to cooperate. All right, there we go. All right, now I'm going to show you how to solder the wire. Use the solder on here so it's not big and bulky as well. Excuse me. All right, you want to take your wire and put it over the soldering iron that's right here, and it helps it get good and hot that way. And you take your soldering wire and start taking it over this right here. And sometimes it takes a few minutes, because you have to wait for the iron to get good and hot. Okay, now as you can see, I got a little bit of solder melted on here. Just a little bit dab it on, as you go down the wire a little bit. And also, depending on the thickness of the wire, you really don't need that much. And this wire ain't that thick, so see how you got a good strong on there? Good hard strong. Hold, I mean. All right, next step, you would take your tubing and melt and put it over the wire. And you would take your heating gun, turn it on, and as you can see, it melts pretty quick. It shrinks, I should say melt. It shrinks. It down to the shape of the wire. It doesn't take much either. And that's it. So you got a good strong hold on there. That's all it needs right there. A good strong hold. See how I'm pulling it, it's not coming apart? That's all you need, folks. And that's how you solder a wire. My name is Carl Williams. Signing out. And folks have a good day.